Now you have the wallet account here, you have the MT5 account here, you have the section here, home, CFDs, options, wallet. So what do we choose now? We can choose the standard account so that we can have the MT5 account. Simple. Now we enter that password. You remember that password? That password, demo, hash 2027%. There we go. Then we click set up password. It's that simple. If you have actually forgotten the password, you can click forget password over here. Now, we have the login ID, we have the server, we have the broker that we are looking for on MT5. So we just click open MT5. All right. Now we have to click open here. It's that simple, and click accept. But don't click open here, click cancel here. Now we have to click here to find the broker here. Right, and then we'll have to search the Deriv SVG. Since you've seen that we have what? We have SVG over here. Can you see that? This is broker Deriv SVG LCC. So the server will be 03 and the login ID is here. Let's copy the login ID by clicking here. It will be copied to clipboard, and then the Deriv SVG will search it. Then we click again, open here, and then click open. If you like to actually to go that process, so let's search Deriv SVG. So we'll type Deriv SVG. There we go. You can see the Deriv SVG over there. We have the Deriv of SVG, so we just go Deriv SVG. Let's change the server name here to Deriv 03. Let's confirm that. Let's go to here. You can see it's Deriv. It's Deriv 03 server. So let's actually go to here and change Deriv 03, paste the login ID and password. Login. The account we're able to log in now. We were able to log in now. You can see this is the account that we have. So let's now open a demo account. Let's go back. Let's go back here. Let's open a demo account. Let's cancel here. It's that simple. So we have the MT5 account here. You can see this is the MT5 account here, standard account, and we have the wallet account. We can choose to add money. We can choose to withdraw. So we can now connect the demo account. We click demo here. We change it to demo. You can see. All right. We have the wallet demo account. This is the MT5 account that we want. Click here and paste and type that password. Remember that password, demo hash 20. There we go. And then we click add account, and then be able to see the account is added. You can see now this is Deriv. This is Deriv.com limited. This is what we'll have to search, and login ID, it's this one. So let's copy the login ID and click open here. Then it will take us here and click open, and we can click this plus icon here, and now we'll search Deriv limited. Deriv limited. Let's type Deriv. Then we are looking Deriv.com. Deriv.com is Deriv limited. This is what we are looking for. And now the server here is demo, and let's paste the login ID, type the password, scroll all the way down, make sure that here this password is saved, login. Now the account is logged in. We have the account. We can now start trading. We can click section codes and be able to start trading these financial assets. We can check out and be able to see the graph. We can click trade. We can be able to monitor if we are winning.